After weeks of raging fires, still they burn. The smoke choking its way across Brazil, affecting the lives of millions of people.
It's not good. It blocks your nose. There's a lack of air. It's difficult to sleep because it's hard to breathe.
The fires leave their mark wherever they go, destroying whatever is in their path. After an international outcry, Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro decided to send in the army. Military planes have been pumping vast amounts of water across the Amazon state of Rondônia in the north of the country. Soldiers have also been offering backup to struggling firefighters in this region and in other states. But with almost 80,000 fires registered across Brazil this year alone, it's a monumental task. Protests across Brazil, including here in Rio de Janeiro, are pointing the finger at President Bolsonaro and his government. They're blaming them for allowing mining and farming in the rainforests, areas that were formerly protected.
Defending the Amazon is defending human beings. Humans depend on the Amazon. We are part of nature. We are nature. So it's impossible not to defend it.
The Amazon fires have also spread into Bolivia. Proof, if any more were needed, that this unfolding environmental crisis knows no boundaries.